Bata pa lang ay frustration na ni Agnes ang magkaroon ng mahaba at makapal na pilik mata.
Because it looked so natural. So I thought if I feel this way about eyelash extensions, I'm sure other women would want to get them as well.
Dating flight attendant si Agnes at ang kanyang asawa sa isang kilalang international airline. 5 years ago, pinili nilang mag-asawa na mag-avail ng early retirement. At ang natanggap nilang pera, inilagay nila sa iba't ibang negosyo.
My husband is also in the airline business. Eventually, I got tired not seeing my family. We wanted to also enter a safe business, diba? We're also into catering business, in the poultry business. Siyempre, the kika in me would always come out. Siyempre, darak, corn, masaya yon, pero hindi ako ganun kasaya.
Iba pa rin syempre pag hilig mo ang pinasok mong negosyo. Kaya sa kakikayan din nauwi si Agnes.
Personal noon, parang home service lang, they would come to the house and nagmumultiply na kaagad from referral whenever they get eyelash extensions. So that led me to think na I might as well open a salon because nga the privacy of the home was being invaded na. Just my initial materials, I think maybe I started with 3,000 pesos.
Ang Baguio City ang kauna-unahang eyelash eye extension salon na binuksan ni Agnes.
From the clients that started in the house, when I opened, they brought in their friends already. Referral was my best marketing tool.
Dumami ang nagka-interes sa negosyo ni Agnes, kaya naman wala pang isang taon, meron na siyang hindi mabilang na outlet. Ang iba dito ay ipinapa-franchise na rin niya.
The franchise fee right now is $350 for the next 4 franchisees. The package includes the chairs to better serve the client para hindi ma-strain yung neck nila. I give the training for free. We give salon supervision for a month. I also give the supplies. I'm used to the business field also. As I said nga, mas magandang ikaw ang nag-umpisa, be original, no? There are others who would like to cut short the business proceedings, di ba? They like to pirate, they go to the shop and pirate your people. So to avoid that, I have a contract with them.
Dahil konti pa lang ang kakumpetensya ni Agnes, mabilis daw niyang nabawi ang unang kapital sa Baguio.
We specialize only on eyelash extensions, but because women have different needs and look, and lifestyle, we offer 4 different kinds, which depends on the thickness. We have what we call fine, natural. From the name itself, that's what it means. That's the effect that it gives. It looks so natural, as if you're born with them. And then we have the mascara. That's for those who want a thicker one. Meron pa kaming tinatawag na full thick. And we also have colored lashes. It comes in blue, violet, and brown.
You don't have to put on makeup anymore. Parang as soon as you wake up, parang you're ready to go.
Kasi nawa-widen yung eyes ko dahil chinita
Beware of fake eyelashes, sabi nga ni Agnes. Bukod kasi sa madaling malagas ang pagkakadikit dito, baka daw hindi pa safe ang pangdikit o adhesive na ginamit.
Studied abroad, but I don't want to mention the school because what they taught me is not what we are giving. But when I tried it, when I was doing it to the clients, I saw the faults na hindi dapat. Maraming mga mistake, marami akong binago. So everything that we do now is totally different from what they taught us. It is a special bond for eyelash extensions. Ingredients that are used is the same to the medical adhesive. I also got in touch with a lot of ophthalmologists kasi I can never risk the eyes of any client. So I made sure that it's safe before I even opened up a salon.
Gusto mo ang ginagawa mo, malawak na market research, unique and quality products. Ilan lamang ito sa mga standards ni Agnes sa bawat negosyong kanyang pinapasok.